Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to verify your YouTube account. First of all, you can open any browser that you want. I can open Safari. After opening the Safari, you can just simply search YouTube verification page. I can already search, so I can now go to the two square bars at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this I can tap on my first login page, and here you can just simply enter your phone number. After entering the phone number, you can just receive a code, and after entering the code you can follow the prompts, and after this your YouTube account is verified. And it is a way you can verify your YouTube account. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.